those steps with this example. Our first step is to multiply the a and c together. So if I multiply 20 and 6 together, I get 120. Now with that number 120, I'm then supposed to list out all the pairs of factors. So 1 times 120, 2 times 60, 3 times 40, 4 times 30, 5 times 24, 6 times 20, 7 doesn't work, 8 times 15, and 10 times 12. Now we don't need to keep going because if you notice the pattern that I'm going with, the next thing I'd see for my first number that would work would be 12. That would give us 12 times 10, and we've already accounted for that pair. So our next step after we have all these pairs of factors is to find the pair that adds up to 23. So that's 8 and 15. Next step is to rewrite our middle term. So this is all kind of scrap work that we've been doing. Coming back to our problem now, we're going to rewrite this problem. Instead of 23x, we're going to write it as 8x plus 15x. That's the only thing we're changing about the problem is instead of 23x, we now have 8x plus 15x. Nothing changed, that's equivalent, but now we have 4 terms. And now that we have 4 terms, we can factor by grouping the first 2 and the last 2 together. From the first 2, we can pull out a 4x. That leaves us 5x plus 2. From the second group, we can pull out a 3. That also leaves us 5x plus 2. And now we can pull the 5x plus 2 out, leaving a 4x from the first term and a 3 from the second term. And that's how we can use AC grouping to factor a trinomial.